Welcome to ICT Applications module. This module is about the use of Microsoft Windows, Linux, Microsoft Word, and Microsoft Excel to perform various tasks at undergraduate level. Course outline. Upon successful completion of this course, students will be able to understand basic concepts in computers, install and use Microsoft Windows as an advanced user, install Linux and use Linux through the terminal, use Microsoft Word for the preparation of large documents and mail merging, and finally use Microsoft Excel for common, moderately complex spreadsheet tasks. Let's go through each section one by one. During first few weeks, you will be given an introduction to ICT. Here, you will be able to learn about basic concepts of a computer, input-output devices, central processing unit, storage media, application and system software, and at the end, you will be in a position to identify the differences between free and open source software and proprietary software. Next, it is time for you to learn about Microsoft Windows. There, we would be covering the following topics: Microsoft Windows editions, how to install Windows, functions of Windows. That is, at the end, you will be able to understand basic concepts in file management, device management, and use of recovery and troubleshooting tools. Then we will talk about networking. Here you will be exposed to basic concepts in networking and how to manage network connections in your Windows PC. Next, security and privacy. You will learn about different threats available in Windows environment and the basic steps in managing security and privacy. Subsequently, we will move on to talk about Linux environment. After completing this lesson, you will be able to explain different distributions in Linux software licenses and how to install Linux in your computer. Furthermore, we will learn some basics in Linux command line. Next, we will be covering some topics under Microsoft Word and Microsoft Excel. Microsoft Word. You will be getting hands-on experience in Microsoft Word based on the following topics: formatting, character formatting, paragraph formatting, page formatting, document formatting, word formatting styles, and also about themes and templates. Then we will move on to drawing tables and then formatting. Inserting symbols and equations, inserting clip art, shapes, diagrams, and charts. Then we will move on to mail merge. You will be able to explore creation of data sources, main documents, and sending personalized messages to multiple recipients. Long documents such as reports and dissertations. Here basically you will be able to practice on creating master document, table of contents, list of figures, list of tables, footnotes, endnotes, and on using reference tools. Finally, we will talk about collaboration on documentation. You will be able to learn about co-authoring documents, adding and reviewing comments, tracking and managing document changes, comparing and merging documents. Finally, we will move on to talk about Microsoft Excel. The topics that would be covered are formatting worksheets, cells, ranges, adding formula and functions, includes logical functions, maths and stat formula, date and time formula, then creating charts and adding graphics, importing data from various sources like CSV files or from a database, and also about creating pivot tables. Those are the main areas that would be covered under ICT applications. Thank you.